In a world untouched by human hands, life thrives in its purest form, deeply connected to everything we know. Dazzling display of movement and instinct, enriching the world with
unboundedness. From the smallest insect to the largest antelope, every creature plays a vital role in enriching the soil and maintaining the
from grazers roaming the forests and predators stalking the jungle, to giants navigating the deep ocean. From the Arctic ice floes to the highest cliffs and arid islands, animal migrations and interactions create living stories of survival.
Across diverse landscapes, nature displays remarkable adaptability. These creatures exemplify
landscapes, from golden grasslands to rocky outcrops. Animals rely on their habitats for protection as they raise their young. The unique climate and vegetation of these environments dramatically shape how each species evolves to survive. From the lush canopy of the forest to the vast expanse of the ocean, habitats are the natural environments where animals truly thrive. From the vibrant rainforests to the deepest oceans, biodiversity relies entirely on the health of these delicate habitats. From the grazing zebra to the predatory lion, the diets across the animal kingdom are incredibly diverse.